I'm going to make kimchi jjigae. It's also known as kimchi soup or kimchi stew. Traditionally, this recipe uses pork belly. But for a healthier twist, I'm going to use butterball turkey thigh roast. It's very flavorful, and its texture is perfect for holding up to the robust and spicy broth. Here I have the turkey thigh roast, which I've shredded up, and I'm going to add soy sauce and mirin, which is a sweetened rice wine. I'm going to mix this up, and then we're going to set it aside for later. I'm going to whisk some rich turkey broth with gochujang and gochujaro. Here I have some well-aged kimchi, which I've chopped up. I've strained it, and I've reserved the juices for later on to be used in the soup. We now have all of the ingredients ready to begin the soup. Heat a 6-quart soup pot with some canola oil. We're going to soften all of our vegetables, so I'm going to add my garlic, onions, sliced mushrooms, and my chopped up kimchi. Saute this for about 2 or 3 minutes until the vegetables are softened, being careful not to brown them. Now that the vegetables are softened, I'm going to add our broth mixture, daikon radish that's been sliced into half moons, and our reserved kimchi broth. And we're going to bring this to a simmer and let it cook for about 20 minutes so all of those delicious flavors meld together. So let's finish our soup. I'm going to add sugar, fish sauce, and some sesame oil, and then our butterball turkey. I'm going to give this a stir just to heat it through. Lastly, we're going to add the silken tofu. First, I'm going to adjust the heat a little bit lower because the silken tofu is very, very delicate. I want to gently and carefully place the tofu into the pot, heat it through until we're ready to serve. To serve this soup, we're going to ladle it into a bowl, making sure we get enough of all of the beautiful ingredients in there, and then we're going to garnish it with some scallions. Everyone will love this deeply savory and spicy soup made with butterball turkey thigh roast.